What's the meaning of Chief Master Sergeant? Chief Master Sergeant. Chief Master Sergeant.
Chief Master Sergeant. Chief Master Sergeant. Chief Master Sergeant is a senior non-commissioned officer rank in the U.S. Air Force and Space Force that is positioned above the ranks of Master Sergeant and below Chief Master Sergeant of the Air Force. This rank denotes leadership and management responsibilities as well as advanced technical expertise in specific areas. The Chief Master Sergeant serves as the principal advisor to the unit commander and is responsible for leading, mentoring, and training enlisted personnel. Achieving this rank requires years of military experience, exemplary performance, and passing a series of rigorous evaluations.